Hi everyone, welcome to Eating is a Must. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming again. Please remember to like, share, drop a comment on my videos, and subscribe. Today I'll be making some beetroot and pineapple juice, and I'm going to show you just how I do that. For this drink, I'll be using 2 beetroots, 1 lemon, a small piece of ginger, and some honey as my sweetener, and 2 bottles of water. And of course, I'll be using some pineapple as well. In the interest of time, I went ahead and prepared my beetroot and my ginger and my pineapple, and of course I squeezed my lemon as well. So let's go ahead and just pour everything in our blender, and we're going to give it a good blend for about a minute or 2. Now let's go ahead and give our juice a good strain. You can strain as many times as you'd like. Some people like to leave a little trash in there just for the purpose of fiber, while some like to have their juice very nice and smooth. I like mine smooth, so I'm going to strain it maybe 3 times. To sweeten just with a little honey. When you're making yours, you can use whatever sweetener you would like. Some persons choose honey, some may choose some cane sugar, some may not choose any sweetener at all. It's all based on your preference, so do whatever makes you happy. And there you have it, guys. Quick and easy beetroot pineapple juice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you try this juice at some point. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.